Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 4 assignment of the course cloud computing. So for the past 5 years we have been giving these solutions for various NPTEL courses with utmost accuracy. So I think almost all of the solutions are 100% correct. If you feel there should be any change of the solution, please give your opinion in the comment section guys. So definitely watch the video till the end without skipping and like the video, and please share the video with your friends and classmates through WhatsApp college groups so that they will also get benefited like you. So now let's see the first question. So first question, which of the following statement is false for Microsoft Azure Resource Group? So for first question, the answer is option D. It is a physical container. So actually it is a logical container, but they're asking us the false statement. So it is a physical container. It is the false statement. So mark option D. Now let's move on to the second question. Second one, statement 1. Azure supports public cloud platforms. And statement 2. Azure App Service Plan defines security. So actually the first statement is true and second statement is false. So I'm going with option A. Statement 1 is true and 2 is false. So mark option A as correct answer for second question. Now let's move on to the third question. Third one. Google Cloud Data Store provides flexible object storage with global edge caching. So is this statement true or false? So it is absolutely false guys. It is false. So mark option B. Now moving on to the fourth question now. So fourth question. Google APIs help us to what? Do what? So for fourth question the answer is option B. Integrate Google's services into the application. So mark option B as correct answer for fourth question. Now let's move into this fifth question. So before moving into this fifth question, I want to make a small announcement, guys. So that is regarding cloud computing exam preparation MCQs. With 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared these MCQs. Here you will get a huge number of 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF link. So for one person it is 300 rupees, and for 2 to 5 persons it is combinedly 500 rupees. So I recommend you to collaborate with your friends and classmates to form a group of 2 to 5 persons in order to reduce price on each individual. Even if you are one person, no need to worry, we are providing it for just 300 rupees only. Last time we have provided it for 500, but this time we have decreased it to 300 in order to benefit the students. So this is the email ID you have to mail me for if you want to proceed for the purchase of this 300 MCQs, guys. So we have prepared these MCQs by following 100% of the NPTEL syllabus. So if you want to prepare for the final exam, take it now itself, because you'll get more time to prepare, and at the last you can prepare for other subjects if you prepare from now itself. So you'll get more time to prepare, guys. Already many students have taken our MCQ pack and got good feedback from them. So you'll get very much preparation from this 300 MCQs pack. And there is another pack also, that is YouTube membership pack. Here you will get only 100 plus MCQs, but the price will be 89 rupees only, which is available in only in video format. It is for one person and for 1 month. If you want YouTube membership, no need to message me, you can directly pay to YouTube. I will show you how to do that. So first go to our channel page, search S Kumar Edu in the search box. So beside the subscribe button there is something like join button, so click on that. A window will open like this. So you can select the second one, 89 per month pack, and click on join and make payment directly to YouTube. That's it. You will become member of our channel and you can get access to all these members only videos. So you have already seen this. We have prepared the cloud computing videos also. So you'll get all these videos for the same 89 rupees, no extra charge needed. But my suggestion is it's better to take this 300 MCQs pack because you can cover a lot of syllabus for the final exam, guys. So that's it. Now let's get back to the syllabus MCQs. So fifth question, which of the following is or storage services provided by Google Cloud Platform? So for fifth question, actually there are two solutions that I have got. The first one is option A, Cloud SQL, and the other one is option C, Cloud Data Store. So mark option A and C. Next, moving on to the sixth question, guys. Sixth one, match the following columns. So in the left side column they have given this, and in column 2 they provided the functions or the services which these left one does. So sixth question, so Google App Engine helps to migrate web application, and Google Cloud Endpoints help the end users application scalability, and for Google API it is integrates Google services into end users application. So answer is option A. So mark option A. Now let's move on to the seventh question, guys. Seventh one. So seventh question. In OpenStack, when a VM is terminated, which of the following memory resources are freed? So for seventh question, I have got two solutions. The first one is option A, ephemeral storage, and the other one is option D, RAM. So mark option A and option D. Next, moving on to the eighth question. Eighth one. So they have given two statements. So first one, when deploying the Azure app remotely, the login password of the Azure account needs to be entered when the system asks for password. It is absolutely wrong. And second one, in Microsoft Azure, a deployment user is required for FTP and local Git deployment to a web app. It is true, guys. So the answer is option B. Statement 1 is false and 2 is true. So mark option B. Next, ninth question. Ninth one. The Azure app pan has a scale count of how many instances? How many instances? So the answer is option D. 1 to 20. 1 to 20. So mark option D as correct answer for ninth question. Now let's move on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th one. While developing a web app using Google App Engine, the deployment server should not be kept running when changes are made to the source file. So the answer is, so before getting into this solution, I want to once again make you remember, guys, we have prepared a huge number of 300 MCQs, which is more than 2 years equivalent MCQs. So you'll get in a Google Drive PDF link. So for one person it is just 300 only, guys, and for 2 to 5 persons it is combinedly 500. So I hope you will join in this, like in the previous year students does. So they have got very much benefited. So many people scored 75 to 80% in their final exam. So hope for this year also you'll do the same. So if you want to purchase this, just mail me to this email ID, guys. Already many students started taking this pack. And there is another option available, YouTube membership pack, but you are getting here only 100 plus MCQs, but the price is 89 rupees only. If you want this, no need to message me, directly go to our channel page and join our channel. But my suggestion is it's better to take this 300 MCQs pack because you are covering almost all part of the syllabus, right? So that's it guys. With 5 years of experience we are doing this, so hope you will get good knowledge and better preparation for your final exam. So now let's get back to the final MCQ. So for 10th question, the answer is option B, false guys. Option B, false. So mark option B as correct answer for 10th question. So that's it guys for this video. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this with your friends and classmates so that they will also be able to get preparation and good marks like you. So as I already told you, so purchase this 300 MCQs pack for preparation for the final exam and be exam ready. So hope this video helpful for you. So keep supporting us like this guys. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.